Hello students, so in the last video we have seen CSA, TSA and volume of a cone. So in this video we are going to discuss about sphere. So what is mean by sphere? It is a 3-dimension of circle. So circle is a 2-dimensional shape. It should be a flat area, flat surface, but sphere, look here, the sphere will look like, it is like a the sphere will look like a spherical ball. It is look like a spherical ball and it's a globe. So this is the radius of a sphere. So for cylinder and cone, we have when we come to the surface area, we have discussed two things. One is curved surface area and the total surface area. Here you can see, here this is a cylinder. So you can see this area, this is the curved surface area. So only the surface area surrounded except the bottom and top. So this area is known as CSA, that is 2 by r h, base circumference into height, 2 by r h. Okay. Total surface area of a cylinder means this CSA plus including this top and bottom, which means total surface area, the entire surface area of a sphere, cylinder. So 2 by r h plus r. So we have studied that. And in the cone also there are two areas, CSA and TSA. In the cone, see here, this is the CSA, that is pi RL formula to find the CSA of a cone. The entire surface area is TSA, pi or L plus R, including this pi R square. Pi RL plus pi R square is equal to pi R L plus R. So these things we have studied last year. But when we think about the globe, when we think about the sphere, we cannot say it's a curved surface area and total surface area. In whatever the way we look, it remains a sphere, a spherical ball. So for this, there is no curved surface area, because in whatever the way we look the sphere, it remains same. So sphere, for sphere only total surface area, or we can say surface area. Simply we can say the surface area of a sphere, total surface area of a sphere, everything is same. So the entire surface area of a sphere will be equal to, this is a sphere, and draw another circle with the same radius. This is the circle with the same radius, So this area of this circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. So if the area of this circle is 4 centimeter square, for example I am writing 40 centimeter square, with the same radius, it is a sphere. This is the flat circle, it is a spherical ball. So if it has 40 centimeter square, this area, the entire surface area of this sphere will be 160 centimeter square with the same radius, if it is same radius, because so the entire surface area of a sphere will be entire surface area of a sphere will be 4 times the area of a circle if they have same radius. So for in the demonstration, you take a thread and you can, if you roll like this using the roll, you can roll closely, tightly, then if you cover all this area, then what you have to do, then take a length of thread and put a needle or pin in the ball and you just roll it together. நம்ம எப்படி பம்பரை சுற்றுவோம்ல அது மாதிரி அந்த ஸ்பியர் ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றிட்டு ஆஃப்டர் கம்ப்ளீட்டிங், ஸோ இங்கே எவ்வளோ த்ரெட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ அதே த்ரெட்டை இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்க த்ரெட்டை ரெண்டையும் மெஷர் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது 40 சென்டிமீட்டர் எடுத்துச்சுன்னா இது 160 சென்டிமீட்டர் லென்த் தேவைப்படும் டு கவர் த என்டையர் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் த பால் if they have same radius. So from that we can see the area of the surface area of a sphere is 4 times the area of a circle. So the total surface area of a circle is 4 pi r square. Very simple explanation to understand the formula of total surface area of a sphere. Okay, then this is the total surface area of a sphere. Then what about the volume? So assume these two cones are identically same. இது ரெண்டும் சேம் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் வால்யூம் இருக்க கோன் அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. R and height, radius, base radius, height identically exactly same. Then take with the same height of sphere, with the same height of sphere with same radius, and the radius will be equal. So this must be h, the h and the h same are. Okay, so this volume will be equal to sum of these two volume of these two cones. So volume of a sphere is equal to 2 times the volume of cone with height h and radius r. So 2 into volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, 2 into 1/3 pi, here what is r? R is r square. Then height will be equal to same height. So here h is equal to r plus r. This radius plus radius become the height. So 2r. So h can be substituted as into 2r. Now 2 2s are 4. This pi r square into r cube by 3. 4/3 by r cube. This is the volume of formula to find the volume of sphere. This is the volume of the sphere. Very simple concept. So for sphere there is no special curved surface area. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and the volume of the sphere is 4/3 by r cube. Then when you think about the hemisphere, so see, if we cut as a hemisphere, This is a hemisphere. So okay, this is a hemisphere. So radius r. So volume, how it will be? Volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere will be half of the volume of sphere. And the sphere la paadi. So half of the volume of the sphere. So 4 by r cube by 3 is the volume of sphere. So hemisphere is half. So divide by 2. So 2 cancel. This 2 2s are 4. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula to find the volume of a hemisphere. So sphere formula 2 ஆல் divide பண்ணோம்னா hemisphere. Half of the sphere is hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then for this hemisphere there is TSA and CSA separately. So TSA, we can find the CSA first. CSA of a hemisphere is equal to, only excluding this top, only the curved area. So half of the total surface area of the sphere. So that is 2 pi r square. We divide 2. So CSA of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. Then TSA of a hemisphere is this CSA plus the top is like a circle, so that is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Yes, see, this is the TSA of a hemisphere. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Then what about hollow sphere? So hollow sphere, what about hollow sphere? This is inner radius. Only this hollow sphere is like a spherical shaped coconut. Inside there will be a empty space, then it has a thickness, then this is inner radius and this is outer radius. So very simple. Volume of hollow sphere is volume of a outer sphere minus volume of a inner sphere. So circular ring la 8th standard, in 8th standard you have studied about the circular ring, area of a circular ring, area of a outer circle minus area of a inner circle. Similarly, volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. So 4 by 3 by capital R cube, outer radius, outer sphere, capital R. So 4 by 3 by R cube, 4 by 3 by R cube. So 4 pi is a common factor into R cube minus R cube. So this is the volume, 4 by 3 by R cube minus capital R cube minus small r cube. Capital R is outer radius, small r is inner radius. So they will give the data, we have to apply the given values in the suitable variable in the formula, then we can find the answer easily. Very simple concept. Only thing you have to you should have a clear understanding about the formula. So why we are using this formula? For capital R means what, H means what, so what is the relation between each shapes and volumes. So we should have all these ideas. So see, If it is a sphere with the same radius and the same height, if it is a sphere, it will take, this is 2 times the volume of the cone, this is 3 times the volume of the cone. So same radius same height la sphere cone cylinder sphere cone இது மூணை எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா their ratio is 3:2:1, 3:2:1. So it may comes in the 1 mark because cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone, sphere is 2 times the volume of cone, cone is 1 times its volume. So the ratio of the shape வந்து மாற்றி கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா, if they are giving instead of cylinder they are giving sphere is to volume of sphere is to volume of cone is to volume of cylinder is equal to, how it will be their volume of ratio of the volume, ratio of the volume of sphere cone cylinder, sphere is 2 times cone 1 times cylinder 3. So 2:1:3. According to this shape we have to arrange. So sphere is 3 times the cone, cylinder is 3 times the cone, sphere is 2 times the cone, cone is itself 1 times. Okay, so this is the very important thing. They definitely it may come in the 1 mark question. So using this ratio only we are connecting the formula. First we have discussed about the formula of cylinder. From that we have found the formula of cone. From cone we came to sphere. So this is how we are relating, interrelating all these shapes, volume of the shapes are interrelated. Okay, I hope that you understood the concept.